Hello guys and welcome back again by today's new crypto daily update video, and in today's video we're gonna discuss all these charts, and a very important FOMC meeting is today right now. So let's dive right away into it to see what we can expect and how we can expect and anticipate on the volatility here. So let's dive in it. Still, not really much happening to Bitcoin in case of a trend towards the upside or towards the downside. For now, we're still in this major squeeze. And yesterday we stepped the lower side here once again, and we got supported and we got a little move towards the upside. For now, it's pretty important to get a move towards the upside to really support this level. If we drop here towards the downside once again, then we can anticipate on a potential breakdown. So what we want to see right now, we tapped support. We want to see some strength, some volume coming into the market towards the upside here. And then when we are at resistance at this point, we can maybe anticipate on a breakout towards the upside. But either way, in both scenarios, we can open big trades here. But for now, we're still consolidating in this major momentum squeeze, and I will be keeping my eyes on this chart, because if this one breaks out, it will be a massive move either towards the upside or towards the downside. And it's pretty important to know that with the macroeconomics, macro things that are going on in the world, that I wouldn't be the most surprised guy if we break here towards the downside, which is pretty normal with such macroeconomics right here. And structure-wise, if we drop towards a 93k, that's structure-wise very beautiful if we see so. And of course, that will bring us a big short trade where we can also make money on and hedge against our portfolio here, which we are always long on Bitcoin. So in both scenarios, you can trade it both ways. And yeah, well, let's see how this one will play out here. And then today, there is a huge FOMC meeting planning to start here. And it's pretty important one, this one. It's a real game changer for the markets, because I really think volatility will kick in massively here. And that will mean that people will get taken out, but also that there will be a very big possibilities where you want to be scaling into trades or spot opportunities. So please make sure to keep your eye on this meeting, because volatility will kick in very big, and there are a lot of opportunities that will come around the FOMC meeting here. So please keep your eye on that one. Then in this major squeeze that we have right here, we also have a smaller squeeze which will break out earlier here, which could cause maybe earlier a trade. And that's also exactly how we anticipate on earlier charts here. So support, resistance on the top side. If we break resistance here towards the upside, we can open a long position. And if we break it towards the downside, we can open a short position. Pretty important to know here is that this support line is almost exactly the same as this one. So if we break this support line, that will probably cause a further move towards the downside. And please know that if we break this one towards the upside here, that there is a lot of resistance above. So the trade could be very small. So this is where I'm looking out for right now to open a big position. And I will keep you updated over on my X page here. If we break out towards the upside, if we open up a very big trade, I'm posting it right over on X here. So please make sure to follow me over there to never miss a move and a setup once again. Then if we look at the structure, we talked about it yesterday, that we created a lower high and most likely we will create a lower low. But that's not what we have been seeing here for now, because we're still holding this low here, this higher low. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we didn't break it towards the downside, which will cause for a higher low right now if we push towards the upside here and break this lower high. Things, in my opinion, doesn't look that strong, because we are resisting this line here that push you towards that lower high, which causes a move towards the downside here. So things is not looking very strong here, but it can be with FOMC that we will get the pump towards the upside, and this won't be a lower low but a higher low, and that will mean that we will see higher highs and new all-time highs anytime soon here. But things are not sure here, so please make sure to keep your eye on this chart as well, because if we do break here towards the downside, we are currently in a downtrend here on the 6 and 4 hour and 12 hour time frame. So please make sure to keep your eye on this chart, to never trade against the trend, which is very, very important here. Then if we look at the liquidity here, we are stacking liquidity on the top side. So short side liquidity, this is a very, very likely scenario to take this out and pump all the people out of their positions before moving other side. And also with the FOMC meeting, you can literally trade this, because this will be taken out during or before FOMC, because they're not gonna let all those people in their positions with FOMC and then dump it towards the downside or either the upside. So please make sure to keep an eye on the liquidity as well, so you will not get wrecked here. And then also in the total market cap, we still can see, if we see right this, we are in a 40-day consolidation phase, a momentum squeeze, nothing really big moves happen right over here. But what we can see is also on the total market cap, we are supporting on the lower side here. And this is a very good sign if we really get that push towards the upside. So I'm keeping my eyes on this one as well, because also here we tapped it, we saw a move towards the downside, but selling pressure was too high here. So I'm pretty curious to see if we will see any buy pressure here towards the upside, to see that we will see maybe a breakout towards the upside here. So things are not moving that fast, but opportunities will come, and we have those patterns. Every pattern I've discussed here, these are the patterns. If we do break out here, then we will have a massive move toward either the upside or towards the downside, and that can be a very, very big trade. So please make sure to wake up and look at the charts here, because otherwise you will miss a very, very big move in the markets here. Then the USDT dominance, also we are arranging also on the USDT dominance, of course. We have support on the lower side, tapped it 3 times. Also here we talked about it live in my daily update videos. We tapped it, moved towards the upside here, and now we are around resistance on the top side. And every time we tap the top side here, we will get some buying pressure into crypto, Bitcoin and altcoins, and that's exactly in the region we are right now. So if we push towards the upside, tap the resistance, move down, that could cause for a money flow into crypto, which could cause for a surge in price in the whole crypto market. So that's pretty exciting to see here. And then that was it for today's video. If you like all those daily update videos and all the setups I'm sharing, all the charts I'm sharing, please make sure to subscribe on my YouTube channel to never miss a daily update video again, never miss a move again in the crypto market. And please make sure for daily, hourly updates here to follow me over on X, because if something happens throughout the day, I will be posting it right over on X, because it's way faster. If I open a trade spot on or buy spot, I will set it here live over on my X page. So please make sure to follow me right over there. And then I will see you tomorrow by a new crypto daily update video. Bye.